Okay, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about Bing Ads platform versus Google, and why you may want to use Bing Ads over Google. And first, want to say that Google has a lot of benefits. Google is superior to Bing in a lot of different ways. So don't just discount Google, but do keep in mind that Google is a little bit more strict on affiliates. They're strict on people that are promoting offers that are affiliate offers. And Bing is starting to become more strict, and Facebook ads is starting to become more strict, and it's just becoming more strict across the boards. But Google was the first to kind of pioneer that. I guess you would consider it an assault on affiliates, where it can be tough to promote products that aren't your own, essentially. But with that being said, there are some advantages to using Bing ads over Google, and we're going to talk about those right now. So one advantage to using Bing is that there's less competition. Okay, there's less people that are using Bing. Okay, and that barrier to entry can be tough when you're competing on a big search or a big ad platform like Google. Okay, so there's less competition. Sometimes your ads can be more effective. Okay, so that's one reason why less competition is good. Sometimes you have more effective ads. You get more clicks. Another reason why less competition is good is that your advertisements are less expensive. Okay, you pay less per click because you have less people bidding and competing against you. You also reach 55 million users that don't use Google search. Okay, so there's 55 million users that are using Bing that aren't using Google that you're going to have direct access to. Okay, so not only do you have less competition in your platform, but you're also not competing with Google ad buyers. 55 million people aren't searching through Google, so that's another great reason to go with Bing. And then remember that Bing and Yahoo searchers simply spend more money. Okay, 23% more overall, and 4.8% more in the U.S. So about 5% more money spent on Bing in the U.S. than with Google. Okay, so if you're just getting started and you're really concerned with your initial investment and your daily bids and your cost per click, and you want to maximize your profit, which in the end we all do, but when you're getting started, you definitely want to keep your expenses low. Then it may help to be on a platform that's less expensive and where people spend more money. Okay, so you spend less on the ad, and people spend more when they click on the ad and go to your landing page. So that's just something to consider. There are some great advantages to Google as well. We're not really going to get into that here. And just keep that in mind if you're thinking about trying out Bing.